Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on shuffled sentences. Let's look at the shuffled sentence example. Firstly, read the shuffled sentence aloud, slowly, and look for a phrase. Practiced, guitar, she, hours, for, her, sang, 5. Did you spot the phrases? A possibility is she practiced or she sang. As there are two options, it is not clear which is the correct phrase at the moment. Let's come back to these words later. Her guitar is another phrase. 5 hours can be another phrase. Therefore, as the sentence is about a guitar, you would usually practice a guitar. Therefore, she practiced would be the most suitable option. From the two words left, for and sang, the correct option would be for, which fits perfectly in the sentence. She practiced her guitar for 5 hours. The leftover word is sang. Simple. To watch the full video and to have a go at our 11+ practice quizzes, go to ariatuition.com. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.